Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So glad to have you here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So today we're going to be going to the Goodwill and doing a quick store walkthrough, just to see what they have for the fall, any inspiration, or just see what they have to grab. Now, I did really like those rose gold pumpkins down there. I totally missed out because you know that you can spray paint them. I don't know why I didn't grab those. And then I went ahead and stepped over and saw those candlestick holders, okay? And that white pumpkin. And there was another one up there that I totally could have spray painted. So I'm thinking about going back because I don't know, I really only have smaller pumpkins, but I was totally liking what I was seeing in this particular Goodwill. It is a smaller one, but they had a few good things. So let's just keep walking around. Now, you just never know what you're gonna find in the Goodwill, and that's the beauty of it. You know what they say, one man's trash is the next man's treasure. So you just never know what you're gonna find, and that's what I like about Goodwill. Okay, you just never know what you're gonna find, and you just have to grab it when you see it, sort of like seize the moment. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at the things that I picked up. Now, I was thinking about how can I use this. So I saw that it was very affordable. Okay, so I just want to go ahead and pick that up. I also picked that up for, I think that one was $2.99. And I was thinking, I'm like, is it for pot to sit outside, or can I use it for a pot to sit on the countertop? Okay, because I do have quartz countertops and I don't want to put anything too hot on there. Now, this was a very good price, $4.99. Now, it can be used in the office, but I decided to go ahead and I'm going to use it for the plates, or maybe inside of the cabinet. It can hold maybe like small lids or whatever, but I think that it will be a great addition to the kitchen and all of its needs. Okay, so there's the vase and also the candlestick holder. Alright, beautiful people, so now we're just about to get ready and start cleaning these thrifted items. I will leave down in the description box what I like to use to clean with. All right, beautiful people, I hope that your fall season is going very, very splendid and you're off to a good start. So what I like to do is just go ahead and make sure that I'm using a decent, powerful cleaning agent to get in all of the nooks and crannies, and most of all, that the water is hot so that it can kill any germs and make sure that it's fully sanitized. And yes, even the candlestick is stripped of its oils and any, cookie sticky film that is left on the candle, and it's just getting nice and clean. And this is how I clean my items that I purchased from the Goodwill. All right, let's go ahead and get the water on out of this sink. Value in this video, make sure that you go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you care to subscribe, go ahead. I would highly appreciate it. Okay, so here are all the cleaned items, and this was $2.99, and I think I'm just going to sit maybe like hot pot when I transfer it from the stove. I won't necessarily, be sitting it on top of the countertop. This candle holder here was $4.99 if I said candle holder. Okay, candlestick holder was $4.99, and it's very clean, so I like that. And then this one here was $4.99 too as well. Like I stated, you could probably use it for paper, like maybe in office, but I'm just going to go ahead and put the plates in there, okay? And I also end up picking up that beautiful vase. I guess that would be like diamond cut, okay? And it is ceramic. And I guess I was just pretty much going for the blacks and brown because that's what's in the kitchen. And yeah, that vase there was $7.99. I just thought that it had, pretty decent integrity. And yeah, all of the items I really like. And of course, I'm going to be visiting another Goodwill, so make sure that you stay tuned for that and go ahead and get familiar with my content. And if there's a video that relates to this video, it's up in the cards down in the description box, or it will show up at the end screen. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.